Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making the Dalgona coffee. And so look like this. This has cocoa powder at the top. This is the one I'm going to be making in the video. You can see the stain at the bottom. And this is without the cocoa powder, and it has some ice cube in the middle. So it looks slightly different, but they taste roughly around the same. So here we go. Let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna try it out, and look how beautiful it is. Like, seriously, it's nicely stained. Look at the distinction between the two here. Gosh, that looks so pretty. And so let's try it out. It's really good. So there's always two ways of drinking these kind of layered drinks. I like to drink it with just the layer at the top, like sip it, and the milk will kind of go in by itself. So you get like a very foamy texture. Then the milk kind of washes it down. And then the second time I drink it, I mix it together. And yeah, just two ways of drinking it. I feel like the extra ingredient, the chocolate, cocoa powder, that really complements the coffee flavor. Chocolate and coffee goes together well. Look, I mixed in, starting to. This is so good. Dang. Okay, you guys gotta try this at home. It's really good. For myself, I know like the recipe on everywhere for this coffee is 1:1:1, which is 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, which I have here, and 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of water. And it should be hot water. Cold water, it wouldn't froth up as fast or as well, so just make sure you have hot water instead of cold water. For myself, I was like, when I'm pouring in the sugar, I'm like, that's a lot of sugar in one drink. So I wanted to see if it would still foam up properly if it was a 2:1:2 ratio, which is 2 tablespoons of coffee, instant coffee, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of hot water, which I think overall it was pretty good. Like it's still sweet, but it's not like, I don't feel guilty drinking this. Let's just say that. Because gosh, I usually don't have sugar in my coffee. I usually drink my coffee black, so this is more like a kind of drink my husband would like to drink more. But once in a while, this is a nice sweet drink, a little treat for myself. But oh my gosh, I love the gradient. I just love looking at gradient stuff, like the color. It makes me feel happy inside. It just does. I don't know what it is. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is yummy, so I'm gonna keep drinking it. Oh, but yeah, give it a try. It's super easy. You can technically hand whisk it, but it might take you like 5-10 minutes. I'll give you a good workout so you can work out and work off that calorie you're drinking down. But for myself, I have a hand mixer and I wanted to put it to use. So anyways, hope you guys are enjoying yourself and have a wonderful day. Bye.